Yeah. Good afternoon. I'm waiting for a candidate to join us. This candidate is appearing for South Indian Bank interview. Let her come, then we can start the interview. Yeah, now, of course, now what I can tell you is some extra points. Some of the points that I can tell you is about, say, some general awareness points. Like Mr. A.C. Pandey has been appointed as Election Commissioner of India. Election Commissioner of India. Justice A.K. Mishra is taking charge as NHRC Commission. NHRC means National Human Rights Commission. Abdullah Shahid is elected as UNGA President. Satya Nadella is appointed as Microsoft Chairman. Naftali Bennett is sworn in as, say, Israel Prime Minister. Yeah, please unmute. Please unmute. Please unmute. Yeah.
Good
Are you able
afternoon,
to
sir.
hear me? Are you able to hear me, please? Hello. Could you follow me?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
You are from Madhya Pradesh.
I'm
Hello.
from my name is Pallavi. I'm from Punjab.
Oh, acha, Punjab. Very good. Excellent. You want this video to be posted in YouTube? We're okay with that?
Yes, sir. I'm fine with it.
Very good. Thank you. Very nice. What is the degree you are now studying? Please
Sir,
speak. Speak loudly. Please speak loudly. Yeah.
Sir, I'm pursuing masters in economics. I'm in final year.
Oh, masters in economics final year. Good,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good. In your, you did BA economics or what else?
No,
BCom.
sir. Yes, sir. I did BCom with economics.
Oh, with economics. That's right. Okay. Now you are appearing for a post of clerk or officer.
Clerk, sir.
Your interview date is finalized?
Yes, sir. It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Oh, Baba.
Yes, sir.
Acha, yesterday itself interview started in your college or not?
Yes, sir. It has been started earlier. My date was earlier. My interview was scheduled on Monday only.
Monday only. But now they have postponed to
This was
Wednesday.
yesterday. Yes, sir.
अच्छा मंडे में किसी का इंटरव्यू था आपका कॉलेज में?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know.
I don't know.
Perhaps you don't. Doesn't matter. Not required. But how many people have been selected from your college? Any idea?
No, sir. I have no idea.
Even
Actually,
that is.
this pandemic is going on now, so
I
we
know.
are at our home only.
Yeah, due to this pandemic, we are cut away from all the people and all that. Which college are you studying?
Sir, I'm studying in GGDSD College, which is in Chandigarh, which is affiliated to Punjab University.
अच्छा थोड़ा माइक को आपका माउथ का नियर रख के बात कर लीजिए ना. आपका आवाज तो वेरी वेरी स्वीट वॉइस, इसलिए ज्यादा साउंड नहीं आता है. ठीक है?
Wait a minute, sir.
Yeah. What do people tell you about your voice? You have a very shrill voice or baby voice, correct? Hello.
Sir, is it audible now?
Now good. Now बहुत अच्छा है. Now it
Okay,
is
sir.
good. What did you do now?
Sir, I just removed my headphones.
Oh, now you are doing, your voice is very nicely heard. This is the voice
Okay.
of a lecturer.
Okay, sir.
Now this is the voice of a lecturer. You can even become a lecturer.
Sir, I'm planning to do PhD further.
Oh, very good, very good. If you do PhD, then you can become lecturer and professor also. But
Yes, sir.
in tomorrow's interview, you should not tell you are interesting.
No, sir, I'll not say this.
You will not tell this. What is your father?
Sir, my father is a pharmacist.
Acha. Mother?
Mother is a homemaker.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one younger brother.
What is he doing?
Sir, he's doing law.
Law. Oh,
Yes, sir.
first year, second year, third year.
The third year.
Third year. Acha. How did he take? What is it that made him take law? Any background behind that? Anybody?
No, sir.
No.
Actually, he opted for science. He opted for non-medical in his 11th and 12th.
Hmm.
Then he gave his JE exam,
Hmm.
and he was not interested in engineering. I don't know. All of a sudden, he said that I want to do law. So he gave his entrance
Law
and
entrance.
he cleared.
Now he is with which law school?
He is studying in Amritsar in Guru
Oh.
Nanak Dev University.
Excellent. बढ़िया 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 गुड. अच्छा, अभी पंजाब तो न्यूज में हर बार आते हैं, हर बार पंजाब का न्यूज आता है न्यूज में. क्यों? किसी वजह से बताओ. Why?
Sir,
Why?
maybe
Why?
because of drugs, I guess.
No, not drugs. Farmer strike. I had in mind farmer
Oh, right. Sir, farmer strike. Right.
because when we were talking about law, I associated with that. So this way,
Yes, I
farmer
completely.
strike, mainly for
Yes,
that.
sir.
वो ड्रग का बात क्या है वो बताइए हमको.
Well, sir, actually, today's youth is very into this drugs and all.
Oh,
Even in our college, also, my classmates also used to take drugs and all.
oh, so they are addicted to that.
Yes, sir, they are very addicted.
But don't ever say this in your real
No,
interview
sir, I will not. I will not.
because पता नहीं whether one. Of course, a person who is addicted to drug and all, I'm sure he would not have come up to the stage of appearing for interview.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very hard, very hard. It's very difficult. Excellent.
It will be my first interview, sir.
This first
Tomorrow will
interview.
be.
Now you are
Yes.
talking with confidence.
Yes, sir.
That's because you are a postgraduate girl and
Yes, sir.
you have had graduation. उसका बाद में 2 साल भी हो गया. Of course, out of which majority time you spent in Corona.
Yes, sir. I have spent only first semester in college of my masters. Then rest of the semesters I have given online exams only.
Acha. Was anybody from your family affected with Corona or any known person?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Thank God. Thank
Everyone
God.
safe.
That's really good. That's really
Yes, sir.
good. What are the names? What is the name of vaccines used for Corona?
Sir, first is Covaxin, which is developed by Bharat Biotech. Another is Covishield, which is developed by Serum Institute of India. Another is Sputnik V, which is Russia's vaccine. Next is Moderna, and then next one is Pfizer.
First class. Very good. You could, you have by heart that one. Very good. Nice. Now, are you keen about joining bank?
Yes, sir. Actually, this will be my first job. I'm ready. I'm willing to, take this job opportunity. I want to have this experience of job. In my friends are doing internships and some are doing jobs also, and they always talk about we are doing jobs, we are doing this. So I also wanted to go for a job. I was preparing for civil services examination, but I guess I need some more time for that. For the meantime,
but this answer in interview may not go well. Don't
Yes,
link
sir,
the civil services there.
No, no,
Don't
no. I will
you
not.
say I am keen on getting a job because I am sure this will help my family also. And
Yes, sir.
don't ever
Right.
tell them about civil service. Don't
Okay.
ever tell them about PhD. वो सब बाद
Okay.
में देखा जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
But ये job मिलना तो it will be good for you, your family
Yes.
also. And
Yes,
actually,
sir.
see what happens when you earn money. बताइए.
Sir, I'll be independent. I'll be helping my. I'll be helping my family. Actually, it's my wish to support. It's my wish that I should pay for my brother's studies.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Not only that, it will help you in your marriage also. कितना बड़ा dowry देना पड़ता है आजकल.
No, sir, not the marriages. तो अभी 4-5 years are there for marriage. Abhi I have to grow with my career. I
अच्छा.
have to do something in my life.
Will you marry a person who asks for dowry or not?
No, sir, I guess.
No, otherwise he's such a nice boy. He's
if
well
if
employed
he,
and his
sir, if
family
he
is
was a
also.
nice person, if he was a nice person, he would never ask for dowry.
The definition of nice में dowry भी आ जाता है.
Yes,
Yes.
it's kind of a selfish
Yeah.
trait.
Yeah, it's really, what are the ill effects of dowry and plus points of dowry?
Sir, first of all, we'll talk about ill effects. Ill effects is that if I give dowry to the man, then he'll expect something more again after the marriage. He will expect something more. He'll expect that in every function, my parents will give him something, or my family will give her family something else. Like my family gave dowry.
Mm.
Positive effects will be that I will never get any something from boy's family side. I will never get harassed.
Mm. Rather,
Yes.
they may not ill treat the person.
Yes, sir.
Acha, ठीक है. No, but how come this system started? I have no idea. But in some ways, it is good for some families who really need this money. Ladka's family who really needs this money. Oh, acha hai.
Yes.
But there are
Yes,
many Ladka's families where they don't need, but still they take for the sake
But
of
still,
fancy.
yes, sir.
For the sake of fancy and also for say of show off to others. We
People,
collected
yes,
so
sir.
much huge amount.
Yes, sir.
Acha, Punjab people, many of you are in Toronto, Canada. How are you here?
Yes, sir. Actually, I am very close to my family. I'm very close to my parents. Even when I go to Chandigarh, I really miss them. Matlab, my parents, even when we talk about marriage, my parents always say कि इतनी दूर शादी नहीं करनी.
They want to get you
We'll
married
find
within Amritsar.
within local, somewhere 200, 150 kilometer distance.
Very good. That's really good. That is one way good, when my daughter is all in Toronto unnecessarily. We are forced to go there, we have to stay there.
Yes, sir.
इतना problem होता है, but वो सब तो हो गया. अभी reverse
Yes.
नहीं कर पाएंगे. That's
Yes,
right.
sir.
That's right. You are an economic student.
Yes, sir.
What is meant by inflation?
Inflation, it means steeply rising the prices of goods.
Good. Rise
Yes,
in the price of goods and too much flow of money in the market.
Market. Yes, sir.
Very good. Then there was a commission known as Planning Commission.
Yes, sir.
But now what is the authority looking after this work?
Sir, last commission was 15th Planning Commission, and now I think Niti Aayog has been taken up
Correct.
this.
Correct.
Yes,
Niti
sir.
Aayog.
Niti
Who is
Aayog.
the chairman of Niti Aayog?
Amitabh Kant.
I am asking, who is the chairman of?
Narendra Modi. It's Prime Minister of India.
Yeah. What is Amitabh Kant?
CEO.
Correct. CEO. You can even say chief economic
Chief.
officer.
Okay, sir.
Executive officer.
Executive, हाँ जी, Chief Executive Officer.
Chief Executive Officer.
Officer.
Why did you prefer economics?
Sir, I always had an interest in economics. Actually, when I was doing my graduation also, I was given option for economics, for the subject of between economics and the management, business management. So I opted for economics because in 11th and 12th also I had this interest for economics. I always wanted to know why price of goods and services rises, what is the situation of the economy when there is too much inflation or deflation, what is the role of RBI in making monetary policy.
Have you heard of this rule? MR is equal to MC rule.
Yes, sir, marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost.
Correct. Super. MR is equal to MC rule applies both to pure monopoly and pure competition. Basically,
Yes, sir.
MC is equal to MR is a profit maximization formula.
Yes, sir. Where there is no profit, no loss.
Acha. What is the classic example of PPF?
Public Provident Fund.
What is the classic example of a PPF? Here,
Sir,
I am not talking about public provident fund. Here, इसमें कुछ दूसरा दिया है. To answer this question, it will be helpful to understand first what PPF means. PPF will be able to show the maximum possible output of the economy if all the resources are used. If guns and butter option would be used, this will show the available opportunity. This means that the more weapons are produced, the more that butter will be consumed. This is not something that you are looking for. You are searching for the best output depending on the available resources. This will make the answer letter C. The country will be called Omega and it will be producing two goods, namely something like that they have told. I think there must be something behind this. You just get to know that.
okay, sir. Oh, sir, I recognize PPF as production possibility frontier, I guess.
Exactly. But
yes, sir.
Here
Yes,
I was
sir.
not happy with the answer here. That's okay. Good. Production, profitability,
Possibility frontier. Yes, sir.
उसका बारे में कुछ बोलो जी.
Sir, production possibility frontier refers to all the resources which it refers to the goods and services which are produced by the resources available
Good.
within the economy. We have to optimize it.
Yeah. What is the concept of opportunity cost?
Opportunity cost, next it refers to the next best opportunity available. For example, that if I will be joining this bank as a clerk and I have this one opportunity and the next another opportunity will be that I should go for PhD. If I'll be opting for bank, I'll be cost of leaving PhD will be my opportunity cost.
Okay, good. But Punjab mein many people are interested in army, correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
Any of your relatives are in army?
Yes, sir. My uncle was in Indian Army. He just got retired last year.
Very good.
Even, sir, I'm also planning to join Air Force, but I will not speak this in interview tomorrow.
Oh, that is true. Air Force में जाने के लिए तो आपको eyesight वगैरह पक्का होना चाहिए. आपको
yes, sir. Yes.
आपको सही है?
Eyesight? No, sir. I have 1.25 number of both the eyes. But this is not the problem.
Okay.
Hanji.
Very good. Can you tell me business and economics? What are they? Are they same or are they different?
Business and economics. Sir, they are different because in business we focus on profit maximization at any cost. In economics, we utilize the resources in an efficient way so that the profit is maximized.
Good. economics will be in charge of determining the supply and demand of the products that
Yes,
may
sir.
be requested or needed by the target audience. This will be
Yes, sir.
based on the current trends of the economy of the country. Economics is known to have a broader range as compared to business because you have a major economics and do a lot more as compared to having a business. Anyhow,
Yes.
this much will do for economics for us. Now let us come to banking.
Yes.
What is banking?
Sir, means banking. Banking means accepting deposits and lending loans to others.
Good. Why do banks lend money?
Sir, banks lend money in order to earn interest, in order to get profit.
Super, super, super. Very nice. इतनी जल्दी आपने बता दिया. I am really impressed. Can you tell me what are demand deposits? What are
Yes, sir.
time deposits?
Demand deposits are those which are repayable on demand.
Example?
Demand deposits, example, we have current account, current account, and savings account. Savings account are those of salary people, and current account is basically those for the business purposes.
Hmm.
While term deposits are fixed deposits, recurring deposits, and reinvestment deposits.
Good. But when a question like this is asked, what are demand
Yes, sir.
deposits, time deposits? You just mention the name of the deposits. Stop with that. And you don't have to elaborate on that unless they ask you.
Okay, sir.
It should be to the point.
To the point. Okay, sir.
Okay. Punjab. Why the
Yes.
name is called Punjab?
Sir, Punjab, I have heard that it's somewhere like it's Jana, five. It's related to some 5 rivers.
Hmm.
Rivers that flow through the Punjab.
Yeah. 5. What are those 5 rivers?
Ravi, Beas,
Hmm.
Satluj,
Hmm.
Jhelum.
Hmm.
Like Jhelum or Chenab, those two flow from J&K.
Hmm.
Ravi, Beas, Indus,
Hmm.
Jhelum and Chenab.
Hmm. इसका बारे में आप थोड़ा अच्छा से पढ़ना है जी.
Yes, sir.
अबाउट पंजाब थोड़ा अच्छा से पढ़ना है. और इसका बाद में हमको ये भी बताइए, हाउ मेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स आर देयर इन पंजाब?
Sir, 23.
I don't know. You must only tell me.
Yes, sir. Recently, 23rd district have been inaugurated by CM of Punjab, which is Malerkotla. We have 23 districts in total.
What are the major religions in Punjab?
Sikh, Hindu,
Hmm.
Sikh
Islam
and
also. Name
Islam.
of Islam is also given in Wikipedia, so it must be correct. And Christians also given. Christmas.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I think the name Punjab, it is there in India, Pakistan also. Even Pakistan has a Punjab, correct?
Yes, sir. Correct. I've heard about this.
Yeah, you don't know much about that. Good. No problem. What is grown more in Punjab?
Sir, wheat, rice,
Hmm.
maize.
Hmm. Yeah, I had mainly this in my mind. That is wheat and rice. Major
sir.
and wheat is and Punjab is supposed to be one of the richest states. The per capita income is the highest, possibly
Okay,
in
sir.
Punjab or Haryana, maybe. It's a very rich state. बहुत बड़ा है.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who is your chief minister?
Amarinder Singh, Captain Amarinder Singh.
Who is your governor?
I just forgot the name. I knew.
I have already posted in our Telegram also. Did you see that?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
BP Singh Badnor.
Badnor. Yes, sir. VP Singh Badnor.
BP Singh Badnor.
Yes.
अच्छा, इस क्वेश्चन हमने पूछा था, ये कैंडिडेट को थोड़ा स्ट्रगल किया था हमको. Who is the Vice President of India?
Vice President of India. Uh, uh,
You are also struggling.
sir, I remember. I knew. It started. Starting is V. It started from V.
Because it's South Indian name, you are struggling.
Yes, sir.
Venkaya Naidu.
Hanji, Venkaiah Naidu.
Venkaya Naidu. What is the name of the Lok Sabha Speaker?
Om Birla.
Correct. What is the name of the Chief Justice of India?
Chief Justice of India. R.V. Ramana.
N.V. Ramana.
N.V. Ramana.
N.V. Ramana.
Ramana.
Who is the Attorney General who has been given 1 year extension now?
K.K. Venugopal.
What is the name of the Solicitor General of India whom our West Bengal Chief Minister is asking for him to be removed? What is his name? Solicitor General of India. Tushar Mehta. Tushar Mehta.
Tushar?
Tushar
Okay, sir.
Mehta. Mehta.
Okay, sir.
ये तो I have posted in our Telegram.
Okay, sir.
Telegram page में कल photos दिया था. I have taken copy from our GK Today book and posted it there.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me the name of the Chief of Army Staff who has now gone to a foreign country for visit?
MM Narwane.
Correct. What is the name of Chief of Naval Staff?
It's Admiral
Admiral Karambir Singh.
Karanbir Singh. Right. Karanbir
What
Singh.
is the name of the Chief of Air Staff?
I don't know, sir.
Rakesh Kumar Singh Baduria.
Yes, sir. Baduria, sir.
Rakesh Kumar Singh Baduria.
Okay,
Correct? Yeah.
Correct, sir.
What do you understand by balance of payments?
Balance of payments, sir. It is the representation of the current account and the capital account
Hmm.
of financial year.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Who is our finance minister now?
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Who is our defense minister?
Rajnath Singh.
Home minister?
Amit Shah.
Pardon? Amit Shah.
Shah.
Correct. Who is A.C. Pandey? He has been given an appointment recently. A.C. Pandey.
I don't know, sir.
He has been appointed as election commissioner.
Election. I knew the name
Yeah.
of election commissioner.
What is NHRC?
National Human Rights Commission.
What is the name of the chairman now? A.K. Mishra.
A.K. Mishra.
Who is Satya Nadella?
I've heard the name Satya Nadella.
Satya Nadella is appointed as Microsoft chairman.
Microsoft chairman, right?
Who is S.K. Jaiswal? CBI director.
Okay.
He has been appointed as CBI director. Who is M.K. Stalin?
Mount Everest. He's related to.
क्या पल्लवी जी अब ऐसा करा दिया हमको. M.K. स्टालिन मेरा स्टेट का आदमी है.
नहीं हाँ जी सर आपके स्टेट का ही है. He's CM.
Correct, Chief Minister.
Yes, sir. He's CM.
Who is N. Rangasamy?
I don't know,
He is
sir.
the Chief Minister of Puducherry.
Okay, sir.
Who is K.P. Sharma Oli?
I knew, sir. K.P. Sharma Oli. I've heard the name so many times.
Who is he? Nepal Prime Minister.
Yes, sir. Nepal Prime Minister.
Who is Himanta Biswa Sarma?
Sprinter.
No. Assam Chief Minister.
Assam CM.
Who is Mamata Banerjee?
She's also CM.
Of
West Bengal.
Correct. Pinarayi Vijayan, who is he?
Pinarayi Vijayan. He's also CM
Of
of
Kerala.
Kerala.
You have to remember Kerala because the headquarters of South Indian
Yes, sir.
Bank is in Kerala.
Kerala.
How many branches of South Indian Bank are there?
Sir, 974, 924,
924, correct.
924.
Who is Sushil Chandra?
Shil Chandra.
Sushil, SUSHIL.
Yes,
So-
sir. I have
so
heard his name.
He has taken over charge as new Chief Election Commissioner.
Commissioner. Yes, sir.
Excellent. So far, you have managed economics very well. You have managed not so very well, but okay, general knowledge. And we have to discuss something about banking. What is RBI?
RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is the apex institution that handles all the commercial banks and scheduled banks.
Who is the governor of RBI?
Shaktikanta Das.
Who is the chairman of South Indian Bank?
Chairman of South Indian Bank. I knew his name.
Thoda verify kar lijiye, some Muslim name, something like that. It is there. If you go to Google, you will get it.
Murali Ramakrishnan.
No, that is some other post. Chairman of South Indian Bank. वो डालने से तो कुछ दूसरे आया था. Salim Gangadharan
Salim Ganga.
is a part-time chairman of director of a board
Okay, sir.
of South Indian Bank and NSC also. Top executives in South Indian Bank. First is Murali Ramakrishnan. Very good. You are
Yes,
right
sir.
in telling Murali Ramakrishnan, Managing Director and CEO.
And-
Thomas Joseph, Executive Vice President, Operations. This much will do. Balance to dekh jarurat nahi hai.
Okay, sir.
I think maybe you will be interviewed tomorrow by Mrs.
Uh,
Meenu Munjali,
Okay, sir.
Mrs. BGSS. Then
There'll be three.
Mrs. Chitra.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I don't know. It is not necessary. It has to be by GMs. It can
Okay,
be
sir.
done by lower level people also. There is one joint general manager, Lakshmi Prabha.
Okay, sir.
Any of these people will be coming. Why don't you look at the photographs of these big people in our
Yes, sir.
net? Then unse kuch koi aane se to aapko ठीक हो जाएगा. Good.
Yes, sir.
That is okay. Now I will ask only few questions.
Okay, sir.
Which bank do you have an account?
Sir, PNB.
What is the minimum balance in your SB account?
Sir, minimum balance is 0.
Acha, kyun? Because normally they say 1,000 rupees should be maintained and all that.
Yes, sir, but
There are some accounts with zero balance. That is
Yes, sir.
nil balance.
yes, sir.
That is separate. But in your account, what is the balance, minimum balance required? 1,000 or 500?
500.
500. Good.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the expansion of NEFT?
NEFT, National Electronic Fund, Net Electronic Fund Transfer.
National Electronic Funds Transfer.
National Electronic Fund Transfer.
What is RTGS?
Real time gross settlement.
Very good. What is expansion of CTS?
Truncation system.
Very good. Check truncation system.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. What is a guarantee?
What is a guarantee?
Hmm.
Guarantee, sir.
Guarantee is issued by a bank favoring a government or another organization about the performance of the customer of the bank. If the customer is not performing the duties to the satisfaction of the government or the beneficiary of the guarantee can be invoked and the amount has to be paid by the bank to the government or the company. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Very good. This much general questions will do for you in banking. Now, last question for you. Tell me why you should be selected when there are 500 people sitting outside.
Sir, I'm a fresher and I'm willing to take any opportunity in this bank that will allow my skills to grow. This is my first job. I'll be fresher. I'll give my 100%. I'll take up any challenges coming in between. I'll meet up the targets in time, on time, and basically my job position will be of clerical. So I'm a girl with a lot of patience. I'll be treating customers with a lot of patience. I'll be helping them. I'll be solving their queries as fast as possible.
Mm. You
Yes,
can
sir.
also add some more points like say, I am a quick learner.
Yes, sir.
I am a creative person. I am a hard-working person. I am an optimistic person, positive attitude.
Yes, sir.
I am good in time management. I will not waste my time. Do you have time wasters in you? What are your time wasters?
Sorry, sir. Could you repeat?
What are your time wasters?
I'm
Yeah.
wasters. Sir, I am very lethargic. Whenever I used to study for half an hour, I start feeling lethargic. I need break for 5-10 minutes in between. I have a craving of eating something. I started to crave.
Yeah, which one will you eat? You will eat groundnut or chicky, something like that, or biscuits, vagera. Which one will you eat?
No, sir, I'll eat healthy only. Actually, I am a fitness kind of person, so I will eat something healthy only.
That is
I'll eat
apple, vagera,
sorry?
fruits, vagera.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fruits.
Very good.
Definitely.
But Pallavi,
Yes, sir.
tomorrow ये सब मत बोलो.
No, sir. I will not.
Lazy mat bolo.
Yes, sir.
You are not a lazy person. You seem to be a good person. You are communicating with itna confidence. This is to be appreciated.
Sir. Actually, sir, I wanted to on my video, but I just saw that my video was off all the time.
Yeah, it is not switched on, but I was not asking you because many girls they don't want their photo to be seen. But I have already had two videos. One is by that Bengaluru girl.
Yes, sir. I've seen one video. Yes, sir. I saw that yesterday's video.
That girl, she is actually from Bihar, studied in
Yes, sir.
Bengaluru.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, pata nahi kya hoga. And another one was a video by a boy from Telangana. Simple boy. Today, one video has come from Mumbai.
Okay, sir.
I will post it after a few minutes. Mumbai girl, she is always smiling. Commerce, BCom girl, that's all. If yours had been on, possibly it could have been nice. Doesn't matter. My only interest is tomorrow you must face the interview with confidence. अच्छा, आज का newspaper थोड़ा पढ़ लो.
Yes, sir.
And be thorough about your name, Punjab.
Okay, sir.
And how many branches of SIB is in Punjab?
Sir, there is
no branch.
In Punjab, there is in Punjab, but in my hometown where I live in Pathankot. So there is no branch of South Indian Bank in Pathankot. It's nearby. It's in Amritsar. It's in Ludhiana.
Yeah, they will ask you, are you willing to relocate? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You have to say yes. Best wishes.
Yes, Thank you, sir.
I enjoyed talking to you for this much time, nearly 40 minutes, 35 minutes. God bless you.
Thank you so
much. You are doing well. No problem. 9 out of 10. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. But the selection is purely based on so many factors like number of vacancies and all. Do not worry about
Yes.
the result. You are
Yes,
a
sir.
good interviewee.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
I will
Thank you.
post this after say about an hour
Yes,
or
sir.
so. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.